We're here at the St. Louis Science Center to tour our newest temporary exhibition. It's called Guitar, the Instrument That Rocked the World. We have over 100 artifacts and 70 different guitars in one exhibit from the National Guitar Museum. Many genres are covered in this exhibition, and you get a chance to learn a little bit about the artists, what inspired them to make the music in that particular genre, and the instruments that they use to play. The guitar has an incredible impact on society and on music, particularly rock music. Obviously, with the title that says Guitar, the Instrument That Rocked the World, it's going to cover a little bit of rock music here. Chuck Berry is a hometown St. Louis favorite. We have one of his guitars on display, and so you get a chance to see it right when you walk into the exhibit. But guitars really, as stringed instruments, go back thousands of years. And we have everything from an oud to a pipa on display. One is 3,000 years old. And when you come to this exhibit, I think you're going to be hit immediately by what is a Guinness World Record holding world's largest playable guitar, which is right behind me. You'll get a chance to pluck the strings and hear how a large guitar sounds into space. But there are also other guitars, aluminum guitars like the Roland G707. That is a controller guitar that allows you to play the strings but play other instruments through computers. I think my favorite instrument of all is the air guitar because that's something that anyone can play. So it gives you an opportunity to explore guitars, explore the science of sound, which is vibrations in a medium, music, as well as a lot of history about guitars and the artists that played them. Many people around the country, particularly teachers, are putting a little spin on STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and math. They add an A in there for the arts. And so this exhibit is definitely a STEAM exhibit where we blend the arts and music, creativity with a little bit of science, the science of sound, vibration, resonance, modes. All of these are covered in the exhibition. You get a chance to see them. We have one exhibit element that has sort of a strobe that allows you to see the strings actually vibrate in front of you, and how the string shapes and how they vibrate are different for different frequencies. So we get to explore a little bit of that here at the Science Center. Well, I think you might imagine with an exhibit by the name of Guitar, it will attract a lot of musicians to this exhibition, and we hope they come down to the Science Center to see it. But we're a museum, and we're your Science Center. So not only are we talking about the blend of art and science, but we're doing it at an intergenerational level, or for people with all backgrounds and interests in guitars and music. So if you listen to music and some of your favorite artists play with a guitar, this exhibit can help you learn more about what they do with that instrument, how they express themselves through emotion and music, and what it means to you. Not only can you see the guitars that are on display, the artifacts, but you can actually pick one up and play it. We have lots of guitars for you to choose from to see, including an acoustic guitar as well as an electric guitar. If you're like me, more of an air guitar player, but you want to learn how to play, Shock City Music School is going to be here on Saturdays to teach you how to play your brand new guitar. So you can find out more information about Guitar, the Instrument That Rocked the World, our newest temporary exhibition that will be going until April 14th. Just go to slsc.org/guitar to find more information about this amazing exhibition.